Watch your man for your voice and see face. I don't know, say I want puppy that. I'm here represent for the new movie and the new movie I call Revenge. People want to know watch the movie at the end. Tell a friend for tell a friend about True World TV. You know there you go and put in your work for Uno. You understand? So just go and stay tuned to each channel. Sorry for the delay of the late post. You understand? And just because we have bad connection with internet from since recently. So that's why we take so long for drop a movie. But see it here now people. So just watch the movie at the end. Tell a friend for tell a friend about True World TV. Coloring book, pick up yourself, see me, you know. Father, you know, man. Pick up yourself, you hear that? I work for your channel. After love, we're not short of love. Big up all our real fans them. But for now, we out. Watch the movie at the end. I'm so gonna link you, yo, that's easy. No mama, Slimmers. My girl, I want to carry go over my yard and bend over on my bed. King size, you know. No man, I pray.
Because you're fat, eh? You can't talk about bend over. Because boy, relax yourself. I say approach you, man. Yeah, where mama? I am not if you don't know if you look man, you shut up.
So make shut up, baby. That's a compliment me I give you.
You don't need a compliment.
Or yourself, man. You're so rich in my bedroom, man. Here.
You think me or you come up?
Or yourself, girl. I'm if you pull up your hairstyle. No, mama. Girl, look good. Ew! Check in, my dog. Check in. My God. Rum. Go on slow, girlies. How we are, Casa? Remember, say me a lead, man. How much you lead me by? 20, my friend, man. Shut up. Nah, right, them with a pen. So you say I deal with it. Long time you there suffer, but you don't give up. You know, when you come down, you see Slimmers you go down the road. Look for the Slimmers you go down the road down there. So. You see her? How that? I want a new girl in a place, father. New girl? Just a shoot off a while
right,
ago.
Right, down with a pen. So you say shoot off him?
Boy, me I tell you say, Mama nah give me time of the day, but me I wonder if me link her in the night, if she will give me the time of the night. So me write it down with a pen already.
So hold on, you not get no connection?
No connection, mama.
She a forward back up yourself?
Most likely she good forward back you, because if you look like a shop she gone, you see me?
Watch her. I show you how girl is deal with things. Puppy, any girl me look me I forget.
Yo.
Any woman I get a girl, I show me no lucky.
Watch her man.
Forward back, that's what you teach.
No, watch her now. Coloring book. Me know you're a top shooter, you know. Me know you're a top girl, you know. But remember, you know, my girl is stage. Me there in a stage 4 and you there stage 3. You know, in my girl is stage. So me don't know how if me no get her now, me don't know how you are going to get her.
Level.
Watch you now. 1,000 me I better say you can't get her. 1,000 me I better. I want to tell me I'm stinking money. Hold on. I'm stinking money. Watch her.
I'm not talking for you only.
Bet me I better come.
Anytime I'm forward back,
me
I show you so I forget that.
What me say you can do?
Alright, come like share forward, you know. As she say man, Slimmers.
Yeah man, look.
You see me? Dark blue. You see me?
Look pan her good, man.
Look good.
You can't get it, bro. Me not tell you say girl like this me up here, so how you forget it?
This a girl
watch
look
man.
Like a one girl will come in a music video. Look when the girl and look good.
And then me try show you.
Them a girl you have to write down with a pen. You have pen? You know a pen?
Yeah bro.
Alright, shh.
I mean, see you can.
Alright, watch it general now. Watch out.
I believe in you, I disbelieve you.
Shut up.
Make it stop.
Shut up. Hello, excuse me. 1 second. My apology. Hello. Hi, 1 second, please. My apology. Me not look for my ID, but me don't have my ID for me. I just want to show you my ID and try to show you so I don't want it or nothing. I'm a person where people are respecting in the community. And the first time I see you, just a while ago, I text you you're a tourist. When I reach close, I realize you're a black, nice, cute, intelligent black lady.
What you say your name again?
I'm Omar.
Omar.
Yeah, but people call me coloring book, but you can call me Omar.
Omar coloring book.
She look interested.
Good evening. Nice to meet you. But you see me now, my ball game kick different. You hear? My ball game it kick different. Me just a come out of one toxic relationship. If you want me,
Boy, they
you
can't
want
get
me.
time, man.
If
Me
you don't
believe that,
want
man.
me, no waste me time. Cause no time
Yeah.
no there so few waste.
Me can't
You
talk
see,
to me, say,
they know long
you're
me in
mad.
a community.
Nah, get her, man. Me
I
believe.
live with my sister and the only thing me do I go shop go buy like phone card and them little thing there. So no waste me time, brother. No waste me time. I mean not be disrespectful.
Yeah.
Me just make you know say don't waste me time.
I'm gonna be honest with you. You saw me just see you and I reach over here so like me not think about it if me really want you. But
this a man
me
you do
all
one
about
leap of
female
chatting, dog.
nowadays we're plain and straight and talk
One
them
more
mind
leap
and
of chatting,
serious.
and so me not
So
chat-
me just
chatting,
go
bro.
give in. Me feel like me
I get
want
your
you.
number long
I mean no
time,
mean
family.
fit today,
Long time.
tomorrow. Me feel like next year. and
Just
the
try
other
make
year.
sure cause me know nobody a waste me time, you know.
And one
And me
more
like
thing.
how you approach me
One more
as a
thing.
man.
Although me never did it when the person broke your heart, but me just apologize.
But you see a friend over there so tell him say don't try me.
Oh.
You hear? Tell him say don't even think about
Don't worry
it.
about it, man. You see me? I want to look a student, you understand?
A really
Yeah,
student.
but you are going on now,
Teach
as me say,
him.
no disrespect. I really appreciate and like if I could have get your number. Because you see where your approach, I feel like I just want to call you and could have tell you more things. Because I see say you run out of time right now.
Right.
Yeah, you see me? So if you could
You
have
get the
just...
daytime to talk to her, and at
Understand.
night time and my time. I see the girl not too like him thing, bro. You know that, me see.
Name Sean.
Oh my God, Sean.
Man, get
Yeah.
number no mean
Privilege.
nothing, man.
Yeah.
And one more
Soft.
thing before you leave. I'm not sure, but maybe I'm right. I could have seriously you say last night.
Probably be.
In my dream though. And one more thing, please I beg you. I pray for your dream I come true, yeah?
Alright.
Have a nice day, yeah?
Omar.
Yes,
our
baby.
coloring book.
Yeah, coloring book or Omar.
Let me tell you this. I'm not trying to go on like me and push no violence to you. But let me tell you this. You see how me give me number?
Thanks.
Alright. If you don't want me,
number no
I
mean
need
don't
you.
call my phone. If you want me, you find time for that. Don't mess with my brain.
Nah, play with your baby.
Alright.
Call her, here?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Shut up. Brother, listen, man. Get number no mean like say you get her. The bet is still on. That no mean I
Shan.
get her.
So what else you want me to do?
Eh? Get her, have sex with her. You don't get her, you to get a number.
Them puppy.
That's just a start.
Let me
A
tell you
daytime,
something.
a your time, night time, a my
You
time.
know what phone a problem in a
What?
life? Uno no like admit the facts on the lose. Puppy, if from me get a number that means say dead.
No!
Puppy, him just don't know say him dead yet. Alright, tell me the truth. How you want me to deal with? Helmet or raw dog? Cause you know my style.
What you mean, raw
dog? Soak like
I
a
say you
oat.
serious?
Puppy, me no play.
You
One
mad?
life me have to live.
Brother, just
Dead
listen
him
to me,
dead.
son, man. You see, if you do it, then me will say, alright, coloring book do it, you know, and coloring book mad. But me tell you, sometimes a girl and they have their type. So sometimes me will win and you will win. But you know
Alright.
win, bro. I tell you, bro.
Puppy done. You know me I say, me I go be honest. You see the amount of girl we have right now, me no need a personal girl. Me no want a girl to call me and ask me when me there. Me no want a girl to ask me soon come. To be honest, me never want her. Me just use her to show you say me can get her if me want. Approve upon
But bro, remember same way to in a whole heap of girl me having a all me want right now I just some company.
I
You
hear
don't
me I
want
say.
no man for stress me nor
I
call,
hear me I
call
say.
me.
You see a girl, and one thing I like about her, different from her cute. You see energy when you have, yo, she chat to me like a gringo.
You know me pick up about her too. Let me tell you what I go on. Cause me still a go off her, you know. Me just feel like the girl not like beat up her thing. I talk to you forget to me. I bet
Black
him won't tell us if he give me a number.
Black chat.
I bet that.
Puppy Dan, shut up. Listen, I'll show you me Deva.
What you do?
Call me, I call him, Puppy Dan. Call me, I call him. The ring.
That no mean say you have her. Tell me, I tell you.
Yeah, hello?
Hi, Ree.
Yeah, man. Sorry to just get your number and call you, but me know say nowadays people don't date and them thing and go up and date and get to know each other.
Right.
So I'm trying to see if I could just get back to a little moment there. Cause I just explain to my friend. So the way I look upon you, I don't look upon you like a piece of meat. I look upon you like a state. So I feel like I just want to get to know you, bring you up on a date, get to know your name, your color and everything.
Omar, if you tell you the truth, you know, say me a walk and me a think about to tell my sister about you. Me a plan to tell my sister about you. because from in a community you alone, my spirit take like that will approach me. So me I think about it.
Alright, so listen, you see, soon as I reach over or whatever you talk to your sister about, as me say, my granny always tell me, say, you see, when you see someone or something where you like, don't wait till tomorrow. So me I go a fight right now. Me I try to get you right now before somebody else get you.
Alright.
So listen, when I reach over, me just please, me just want you to think. Actually, you can't see me right now, but right now, me down on my knee. Me on my knee right now, baby. Wish you could have seen me. Although me just buck you, but me feel like I'm bring out up on a date. It's okay. I remember say you just tell me say you're in the place and you don't get to go nowhere. So me just want to take out you, please.
Alright.
It's okay with you.
Yeah man, sure. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, alright, tell you what. Maybe later on or tomorrow. Just give me the date.
Alright, cause yeah, me talk to you more upon that. Me
Alright.
go inside now.
Alright, bye, here.
Alright then later, have a nice day.
Same to you.
Alright.
Yo, listen me, son, man.
Bad mind I go kill
Listen me,
them.
son, you talk to a girl too soft. Now you see one say girl a gringo. I rough up them the girl a dog. I want to tell you what.
Let me tell you
You
something.
think you take boy if you do that?
You know, stack you on a Whitehall. Well, the 4 foot them, where tourists go up on them black, what them name? Yeah.
You know what you talk.
Even you have one of them 4 foot something there. Where you call them? Then say horseback riding. But
Yeah, horseback riding.
Even you have one wild one. And him have to tame in him. So, I tame in mama. You see me taming in, me bet you and win yourself, I'm going to take out in heart. And say, yo, coloring book, hold this.
Watch
I
out, man.
can show you.
The game is on, man. We all see how do it.
see
You know,
who
take boy if you get to man, you know.
I beg to bex. You can't get the girl.
You're mad, how much you bex
Don't worry
over that?
yourself, man. Bad man, I will
You
kill
think you
them.
take boy if you get that? Can't believe say man really get the girl number, youth. The girl there want to eat that in a youth. And I'm first there, son, I look her in Ganda, that the man there. The boy there smaddy. I want to you, man.
Yo, Shaim, come here.
Yeah.
Daddy, you good?
Yeah, man.
How was school today?
Hey, good.
See, what you learn today at school?
Maths.
Oh. Sister, you are one good boy now. Rate you for a longer time, you know. So, you eat something already?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll give you money if you buy a juice.
No, my parents say me for not take money from strangers.
No, man, just tell your parents them, say it's a fans.
Fans.
Or it's a friend. Friend, I support you.
Thanks.
Can buy a chips and a juice, you know?
Thank you.
And ease yourself. You're a boy when I rate long time, but you won't even understand. Just big up yourself. Go and get one chips and one juice.
Okay, later.
Alright.
Later, father.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm stepson that, you know. And the little juvenile didn't even understand the ball game. He didn't even know what going right now, you know. So me and stepfather, you know.
Yo, don't tell me say, I want girl if you chat to yourself. I want to look at you, me say I chat. How should look at you with that?
Yo, brother.
With the kite.
No, so I'm stepson that. I didn't even know. Feet footstep me I try follow, you know, brother. You me look up to you.
Yo, you know, say I'm a look brother, I'm respect you. Respect you to the ground, but you want me ask me look brother. Footstep, no follow it. Because you know, say, yo, I told you I go, you know. One girl when me I chat to stab her for me, you know. And the reason why, because she find out, say, yo, me I knock her friend, you know. And to be honest, if me know, say, man, the girl a friend, me don't care. But me never know, say, him and the girl a friend.
So I don't know a man say, oh, you're a girl is long time, you know, man.
Yo, you know, easy, you know. But you are going on now, one new bird drop. And me a plucky. So me plucky, tell you what I go on. Pop it down and I look at corruption, you know. He just don't want to give me the respect. We say, yo, me a top girl, see him. You see like how you tell me, say, as a bigger brother, say, yo, pop it down now, give me respect. And first, me I tell the dog, say, yo, you want to get some more girl, go gym, can belly push out. You get to me, I say, belly big.
So you responsive girl, them,
Yeah,
man.
man,
You run
man.
off the ground with
So
the
you
girl,
up on
man.
differently?
Them in there, give dog a thing, you know, buy some
Yeah,
chips
man, like
and
when you take
juice
your
and-
look step you with them, but you see, less you make them know better for you. You see me?
True.
Because sometimes you give them a money and them go and go tell all daddy, say, a step daddy give it, you know. So me love you, yo, you learn. You learn.
you me a learn
tell
from now, you
but yo,
teach me, you know.
don't sorry, you see me? And when you tell you them some things too, when you write it down with a pen. Because some of them slow and some of them fast.
Believe.
I remember a long time we are suffering, we not
Yeah,
give
man.
up. Room here.
Life
yeah,
never
man.
easy.
Boy, pop it down, you think pop it down easy. But you don't want to give me credit, you know. But you know what go on, you know, so I mean him coloring book. You see me? Any football field I go up on me. Half a score. Half a score. Yes, Father God. Alright. The girl on a white towel named Keisha dead. The one named Suzette dead. Big Batty one named Kanisha dead. The two sisters them who live down a Chevaway just so dead. How much me got around 8. And plus the triplet them one in front teeth gone and one eye. Shit. Yeah, hello? Yeah, man. There be, what go on? You alright? Well, you know, so me just there, just in a think boy, and then you call me. Well, and which community are there? Red, I want violence community that you're not supposed to be one by yourself, you know. Me never hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, man, sure. You can come and spend some time, it's okay.
Oh, so you think so that answer me like you don't want to come?
No, the Wi-Fi chip in and a chip out.
If only very good. Alright.
Don't worry about that, man. Me just, alright, me tell you the honest truth. Because you see, true, you're real and me real, me can't hide from you. You see, when you say that, look while you want to come check me, my heart a race. Me need them a shake, my head a get big and big already. So that's why.
Anyways, just send me a location.
Right about now. You have a pen?
No, man, just send me.
Okay, good. Yeah, man. Bingo, right? Round the world. Alright. A matter of fact, as I reach out of the lane, alright, I'm sending the location. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, in daddy. I go sit up in place now.
Why me not like them a location business? Oh, this a location you send me a so and me no see no greenhouse a so. Not even look like nobody live up there so. No greenhouse there so. Just let me go straight. Me don't know why he never just come meet me and done. Me not even understand this location. So sit here send me go left. But I write it I say. Oh, look like other house. Greenhouse and the location I go. Why am I doing too much biking in my yard? Hello? Coloring book.
Yeah, hello? Oh,
Yeah, me
Sean.
reach.
You reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you can't come inside, man. Take your time.
Yeah, so,
You want to sit and have a talk or you want to just go inside? Outside,
No,
kind of chilly.
me kind of want to go inside.
Okay. I'm gonna try if you set up the place. That's why when you call me, you know, because it's your place or something.
No, sir, baby, that's
Yeah,
alright.
man, you can't sit down, man. Your place, you just don't know yet. To be honest, it's been a while, you know, since me and a lady that close. So, not because I'm a man, I kind of feel scared, I could be reason why I kind of feel scared, I could be to me kind of have a little connection with you. Like, if you're one girl, I never like, and I just come, like, you know, but you me just have a band, I kind of feel scared, could you just me? You understand? I'm really happy and feel good when you call me, you know? You see, say, like, the connection you may try build, your mom see, say, patch
Yeah,
it
me
right away.
feel a connection too.
Yeah, man.
So, you send me.
So, yeah, so.
What do you mean by what me say?
Babes, I get you inside of the bathroom, you okay?
Yeah, me I come.
Alright, you done brush up your hair.
Yeah.
Tell you the honest truth. You know, so I win the race like a bolt, 100 meters for the first.
Babe, I
But-
tell you honest truth.
Hold on 1 second, please. Me just explain, cause you see, when you go foreign for the first, and I first I go foreign, and it's nice and the first, you know, me kind of just nervous. But you see, the second time, a marathon me run, so feel like a match job, but me really, you know,
Babe,
really.
me I tell you honest truth, oh God love. Me kind of not feel away, me feel away. Cause me never yet meet somebody feel so fast and have sex with them.
I know, B. Cause me too, at the first time I meet you, and it just happened, but me not feel like.
I just the energy, you know?
Listen,
And me
listen.
just don't want you hurt me.
No, listen. Don't feel like you're a piece of meat, and don't feel like I'm a dog.
I
Like,
just don't want to feel like a gas pan.
No,
You
listen,
ever hear them
listen,
say, 1884 gas
Achoo,
pro?
achoo.
Me don't want to feel away then.
no, you're not a gas pro. You're the company. You're the boss. You're the boss. Me are the boss. You are the bosses. You understand? Don't feel like that, man. A matter of fact, you know.
Me don't want to feel like Shell or IGL and them
No,
brand name.
don't feel like that. Think about like a big brand. You know, you're a big brand. People look up to you. And right now, me I look up to you. Cause to be honest, me never know me really enjoy it that way. You see me, wish we have more time. We go run an next race. No matter if I really cross country
Me
or
I can't go
1500.
home now because me don't really want to get too late.
Alright, baby.
Babe, me I go text you when we reach home.
So now I'm follow you. Go out of the lane mouth.
Yeah, come.
Alright.
Backside. So color me go
Yeah,
on.
when we reach home, me call me text you.
Alright. As I reach home, please
Come
just
like
call
you
me and text me.
meaty.
I just want to know so you reach home. Alright,
Babe,
here.
me tired and belly are hot.
Oh,
Wait.
sorry. Me never. Sorry. Next time you tell me to turn down the volume. Please. It's not too big and it's not too short. It's the right size.
Yo,
Okay? Call me when you reach home.
why pray? You're not bingo. I just talk show what
Puppy.
going on over there,
Let
though.
me tell you something. You see killer not talk them kill. You're supposed to can look on a killer and say something a killer.
But me no know. She just fall over there, bro. So me no know if I talk show.
So tell me the truth. Me got the bank. What me got the bank go do?
Collect
If
money.
you see me, I come from in the bank. What me got the bank go do?
You can, and if you go in a bank, you can go look about a business, money business and
So
everything. there.
okay. So if you see share come from here, do you think share come from here come do?
Well-
If you come look for me, I look in my face and I just
A
know.
whole heap of time, girl, come look for
Puppy
me.
dan.
Because me done a kill her.
Show
and
any
she-
toil. As me say, killer not talk. But me tell you something. One in a head and enough in a chamber. Boom! I'll
So that
belly my
means,
ball
that
for
means that you this
1,000.
a 2,000 if you get, bro.
Just give me no number that in an argument, man.
You win a show, man.
Yeah, more you do for me. Me not have a pen still. But you see when I go home, more you write. 1 kill, 1 shot. Shan. That more you write, Panny. And put in your dresser. So when you get up and I wash your look ugly face, you go see this in the mirror and know say, yo, I made this, me are the boss.
Yo, listen to me, I
What
say,
is-
man. Oh, so me not, so what am I for do then? Just
No,
keep
me
him.
tell you say, yo, me do it for free and I like me really want. I just a proof to you saying you can't dead.
Alright,
Hold
bro.
on.
You win your race.
Listen me, no, man. I walk call me.
Sean,
Me glad.
come like you're nervous, man.
Here, call member, you know.
You're nervous, man.
Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Hey, Sean, what's up, baby?
Yeah, me just make you know say me reach you the
Boy, may I tell you, Sean, me don't even know how to tell you this. You win them or you kill them.
reach home. I'm really keep on that right now.
Boy, may I tell you, Sean, me don't know, yo, may I tell you, some people that want corruption, you know, people bad mind, you know. Me can't believe, you know. Me say, yo,
What happened? We are crazy.
me never know, I don't cry, me just stress out. Cause the best moment of my life, it buck here in my life. Like me say, yes, my dream I go come true. And me don't know who call me be a mother and tell him so one woman over me had. People bad mind, you know. You see me, I know woman come over me had a pay. Babes, easy now, babes. Easy now, yo.
What are they? What are they?
I wanna say that.
What are they?
Yes.
Oh, me just don't know about being mad. I never tell me no being mad. I never tell us if you don't want me, you know, to take some.
Me, you tell me, say me no want you, me finna take your number, but me want you, that's why me take your number. Me baby mother pack up in clothes and say my left. Me no know him come back.
You see when you have a kids in a relationship, and them a thing you happen. You understand what I say? Yes.
Hear my two words to you.
Yeah.
You are going to know what time it is coming. This telephone awake or sleeping lion.
Jesus Christ.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, Coloring Book. I'm going to show you what time it is. May I show
What
you
time I
when
know?
light gonna give it. Come on, Freddy.
Sean, me sorry about that here, baby. Sorry for... She said she'll go show you what time it is. Tell her say at 6:20. Listen what me I say. Win them, or you kill them. Me just prove the point. What she means that she'll show you what time it is. You just tell me say at 6:30 now, what you think he mean? Make sure say that the time them I tell you. But your bingo is still, so you win. Who are the man? Who are the man? Are you a general, man? That but, say, man. Keep it 2,000, man. You're a general. But I'm the governor general. You think you take boy to that? Here. Alright, top shooter. Right.
See that boy, you know, me say Coloring Book, no what him do, you know. That boy, they see me, you know, and stop me from go where me are going, and me stop him, say Coloring Book. If you don't mean me nothing, you make me go on. That the boy, they not even know what make me they down here, bro. That the dog, that the boy, they not even know, say, I'm a man, me kitchen, I'm a bed with next girl, and me have to acid them. Eh? When you know about me, eh? Police have to ban me from my place and now I come and me tell you say. I want somebody play with my feelings and me dealt with him. Coloring Book no. Coloring Book only see me and feel like say, oh, me talk because me can't talk. Alright, Coloring Book. This a man I never tell me say I have a baby mother. Eh? This a man I come to me clean and that's why me even say, alright then. Eh? I go show him 6 o'clock. I must feel like to me as somebody prank with. Eh? After me just a fall for this a boy, me get raw. Nothing. We no must want me mash. Yeah, hello? Yes, sis, what one? You know some more you deal with sitting for me. So me I say, remember you when me did a telebo. Yes, today. When me go buy a phone card, you don't know what say. After I know me come and me say you know the yard, you know sis. Me say alright then, me go trust that boy. Come on, get to know him. Me stay so boops no you know sis and go over boy yard. Cause him send me him location. Cause me not even did know where me live and I know him come me. Me show you him enough. When me go there now, this bear in mind, you know. When this boy approach me, tell this boy say, if you have a relationship or you don't want me, you don't call me. Anyways, no. Let me talk fast now, because me eat it, you know. You don't know what say. The boy have sex with me sister and then no one contempt about baby mother pack up and come back. And me never know about baby mother. Sister tell me to relax, sister right now, I'm a revenge me want back in a brother. Oh, I'm a revenge. No more I'm a revenge. Because me not understand this boy and me have to get my revenge. Have to get it. Me have to get it. Sis, you see now, me have shot your picture with the boy. And me have text you and tell you what more you do for me. Yeah, bad. If a matter of fact, hear more you do for me. You see when me shot your picture, you just get everybody, location, his mother, father, sister, brother, auntie, uncle, grandmother, everybody. Everybody I go down with him. You think it'll be so easy? Alright then sis, yeah, later.
You have somewhere not tell me.
Where you talk about, babes?
You don't have nothing where you want to tell me.
Yeah, my baby mother. Anything me need to tell you, me tell you. If me no need to tell you, me still tell you. If me no want to tell you, anytime me lie down and make love, me I go tell you. Me no have nothing to tell you, babes. You have something where you want to tell me, because you run off. What do you mean in an argument, you run off? Every time you in an argument, you run off, you make it dirty neighbor them. A lot of one of us like big salt, I tell you so woman I come here. You know say, me I tell you something. Me I come from 4, you know. Me I go buy a camera and put it in the yard. And make you can see the yard. Because when you tell us how woman come here, no woman now come here, be.
You remember say 8 years now where there's someone know you? No matter what you go say right now, the proof is there. Me hear say girl come over here.
Jesus Christ.
As me gone, woman come over here. Not even that wait till it breeze off for 2 days or 3 days.
So babes, my baby mother, Why, alright, thus I'm cheating. Yeah. It's alleged that I'm cheating. Why man wait till as you're gone me cheat? If me a cheat, me a go wait till if you're gone Monday, me a go wait till Thursday me cheat.
No, your body depend fire, cause all when me want sex from you ever tired. So your body depend fire, you walk about up the place and have no time for me when I call you. You're there at church. I know you're not Christian, you know, but all church you there when me want sex.
You know, so me love you as a baby, but you're annoying, you know. Sometimes I love you and sometimes I don't love you. But no, you just, look, you run off Ghana country what there. Me not cuss you who you up there with, you know. Me not come trust you. Me trust you like that. But no, you don't trust me. Why you don't trust me?
No, not trust me. You know, say me's an idiot and I go cheat by you.
Don't say that.
Say, nah go say them.
Babes.
They know me's an idiot. You come have to be an idiot. Cause every time I left you, I'll 3, 4, 5 girl. Every time I left you. Look like me have to go stop leave.
Babes.
Cause me have to go. No, you get from bad to worse. You think me not hear say the one where they don't say there with now?
Who done this so?
Who don't they say know who you got bed with? You have memory loss all of a sudden.
1 second, 1 second.
All one of them that I call it too.
Hello. What dog? What go on? Nah man, me and baby there. Me I come link you. Me call you back. Me call you back. Yeah, puppy dan just cool man, me a call you back man. Easy yourself no man.
That sound like it's a female voice.
I know female.
Which person how you hurry up and lock off the phone as me a
Baby,
come?
man, hang up what me a go do. Oh, I'm tear. You see
Me see them girl like fool too, we say.
That me not like you know. And that's the reason why you run off Ghana country. Cause every minute my phone ring a problem. If Satan call me a problem. If Jesus Christ call me a problem.
Jesus
While you married,
your number. Satan more for have it. Cause he's a look out dim. All they do a walk and pour down the place.
Babe, don't do me that. Please don't do me that. Cause them a look out girl, them a woman and I come in. They don't know nothing about me. I alone know about me.
You're right. Them know everything about you. I don't know how them know.
Babe, you know
everything.
so me not tell no lie. Me tell me confess something to you. I first me confess the truth. You know so what you wanna run off me kinda crusty and honey. I mean I think for go over a bridge. Tell me all the act what them go to church and me ask the pastor say, Pastor, if my wife run off and gone for a couple of days and me and me go over a bridge and buy a cheat. The pastor said no, I not cheat.
The same man you got Elena and basket. All pastor you tell lie pan? No, so your condition sticky.
Babes.
No babes me. Want to the browning where you have down the road, the slim brown cockbatty girl. I think Atikas was a type. All of a sudden a slimmers. But I hope she beat. You can't hear say be a beat she beat man. Boy you want slimmers. You can maintain she, you can buy bleaching cream? Eh?
Babes, where you all about for breakfast?
No worry yourself.
Can't argue pam hungry belly, you know.
Me I go to the shop go buy egg and Frank's and sitting for come do.
Yeah.
But I gonna put something in it for you cause you get from bad to worse.
Hey, listen, no bother with that, you
You
know.
want too bad in here. Some grandma's zone for buy and pies
Hey,
you.
no
But
bother-
I true me love you.
no bother with that, you know.
You're trying to make my love run out.
Yo.
Cause any day my love run out, you go sick.
Can't two
Watch him too,
orange
no?
juice, I want two
Two
cream
orange juice, 2 red pies.
Whoa. Yo. You know what she come back down here for? Right now, mama gone for a couple of days and I tell us around 6, 7, 8 y'all me clear down. I mean I talk the 4 I go over bridge go by. Every time mama gone in just come back down here. I don't know what tell him things, you know. You know, so me feel like I a bird over there, so you look up cock batty girl over there, so you know, so me have to go find him and give him one of them backers and calm him down. Yeah. Cause me feel like I beg she and jealous, you know. Jesus Christ, mama say my go shop. No sir. Me call Puppy Dan cause mama say my go shop. Me I tell Puppy Dan, me tell him say. Pick up.
You.
Puppy Dan.
Why pray now?
Me no know if me tell me be mother come down.
I lie.
You see look slim as me in a bed pan what there. And
Yeah.
me tear it down and mash it down.
Yeah, yesterday when you tear
Yes.
down.
Somebody tell me be mother say look slim as come away. Me no know who tell him.
Then you would know yesterday you clear her. So your baby mother hear that and come there so quick.
That me want know. So you want me tell him look while my phone ring. One girl a call me. So me tell him say you call me and hang up fast. So if you see me out the road, you know what to do. Tell him say you ain't call me.
Shut up.
Shut up.
I know what to tell her, man.
Yo, you see what me just tell you say?
Me write it down with that
Write
pen.
it down with that pen. Alright, look more.
Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, so when I done, link me.
Me a go link you. Me a look both.
Alright.
Alright. Jesus Christ. Slow mama go slow down me thing now, you know. Eh? You know, so me have to go tell him say me pop up the bed and make him change the sheet them. Cause this a bed that me come big all the girl in it, you know. You look slim as you know. And you look slim as feel good too, you know. Me I tell every time me send up in answer.
put up this money here, you know, and I say, I want 2,000 backers will come out. That's buy a drink. Miss coloring book. You're back in a place, man.
Nobody be coloring book with the exam. You know all the way I go. They would say call all them woman them.
No, what you mean me know all the way I go? No stress, man.
One thing I have to tell you, want him here, because I full my cup of full. I'm soon do him something, want him. You see the girl them when I keep with me. After my day I sit down with him for how much years. Nah, get no, the bond them where your friend give me attack. Focus. Me say, the whole heap of woman, no, him thing gone up here now in a browning, nice browning, slim.
If thing gone up, me can't know, you know?
Me not seen a big old moms again in a fat like me, you know. Me not seen another, it's a slim browning now, I win, you know.
What do you mean slim browning? What you talk about?
Me say, while ago, me and him in the house and nothing can't tell me say no she call to him get Gigi and jump up fast.
When his phone ring over there?
Yeah.
I me shout him, man.
I know you go say that.
No, man, me not pick up for him this time, man. Then I hear my voice.
Birds of a feather flock together, so you know exactly what you say.
No, man, watch out, man. I made it a link him, man. I made attempt to forward out us up on the flat quarter. That's the make you know, say out so we build the vibes at the time. But you know, say color him love you do. Sometimes when you feel like him do some things and then do nothing, you know. Too much news you take from people. Because some people don't want to see your man together, you know. Yo, you know, say anyhow, me did know say, you over there, you come back down. Me not calling phone for match up in a relationship, you. Judge, I can't believe you.
Because a long time with him, but I just want you to talk to him. Because I just tired of the disrespect. I don't want to leave him. No, but I just tired.
I understand, say you love coloring book. And I see it because no matter back in the day, some things they normally do for show. You keep up with it and you're still there. But coloring book a change, man. I tell you, say, a change you. Believe me, I tell you, say. And me alone I do the badness to me. You know, I do no badness again. You know, the league again. And me I run a league now. Kind of league me deal with. Film get this thing water down. Yeah, man, you know, the farm again, man. I miss a top farm, man. You know, the thing there again, man. Believe me, I tell you.
Same man a bag again.
No, I tell you, say, one burner, man. Right now, me beg sent on one burner, but at the same time, me happy for him.
You serious?
I mean?
I just want you to get him for cooperate same way. Because between them, I really love him. And I don't want them things that make come and show. So I just beg you, talk to him because some egg and bread I go fry for him. And I tell him say I go buy grandma zone and him and all kind of things. But I not do know I love him a week to the boy. No care where him do and me that come back. No care I pack up my little rubbish bag and go away and me that I come back. So I just want you to tell him to do the right thing.
I tell him, man, I look bored. Right. They tell him to link me still, but maybe I'm breakfast my weight pan. So just tell him something up on the flat quarter there.
Yeah, man, I remember for watch out if anything you tell me because we are coming longer than him.
Papi sure. Who like me? I say I pay girl man now. Man! You like color and book a change. Girl this thing me and my friend say. Girl, let me tell you something now. When you listen me, good. A one time from me you interfere in a business I have sex, you can't no boss. One time in a ward here when me and me got sab. And me I tell you say your journey nice and your boss and me say alright, me I go Remy. And me Remy that's look one time there. From out of London to Big Bridge and you tell me say you're pregnant. Girl, listen what me I say. My baby mother there, stop calling my phone. Remember you tell me say your baby when next man you name your baby father and you from Whitehall. Remember say you tell me say your name still a rain. So go link him, don't call my phone. So, me not hear. Puppy down, me not tell you say me a come man. Me not tell you say my baby there all about egg man. You know, so me not like a style like you make me woman feel like me a cheat. You know, me tell you say me a come link you, me killer. I want to you, man. Babes, what happen? Puppy down.
Come back.
Me say you look short that time.
Puppy down?
You know, say puppy down I want pest.
Nobody said that can mean you will.
But me tell the man say you're there and me a forward when me get the egg and bread. And me not tell him about the grandma's one yet, because me know you don't mean it, baby.
You don't have to tell him that. I'm sorry about that, baby. I'm promise say it not going to happen again. Puppy don't tell me say I'm me alone you have, you know. I never know say you take me serious.
Babes, me not take you serious. Me take you permanent. Me I tell you say right now me and tax office in a sound like a problem. Because I go down the ward and then tell me say you can't give me paper, see how me can sign out as a one burner in my life. You know what I mean you want? Me a surprise of you married and I tell puppy that.
You ever married me for sure?
Take time down.
Me I tell some down a tax office what there. You know say you fit and you never know. Me go down a depot. I don't know man pass here one woman tell me say you fit cause me animal. You see me you fit. You know me left and go on insurance. For 10-year insurance more and put you on. Then me got a tax office who go license and insure you.
This me can't bother with you now. You get an inch, you take a yard. Me I go in, I go cook your breakfast and everything for you. I'm sorry, you know. I try you know I love you, you know, but it's too extra sometime. Just go and chill.
You know, say me go call tax office and tell them say yo, call off the paperwork. Can't no understand when man I try to put forward Tony, you know. Look while me out the song, me I tell Puppy Dan, say Puppy Dan, me no want no woman, you know. I want woman me have more move forward with this woman, yeah. Boom as me check 11 one bird pitch. One bird pitch pan the tree, I me never look. All when the tree asleep in my pitch.
Yeah.
All when the tree asleep, he bird a pitch. Jesus Christ. If my woman don't want him, I love him still.
A bag of girl run down the big belly youth. What you expect me to do? Love them. Instead of touch them. Different, girl. Everything. My youth, I make your face look so.
Why you gonna be a man and come back down dog and mash up everything dog?
So me no know.
She don't even know dog.
You know say I'm me and I did out to talk not too long.
Oh yeah, you see me, you tell him say I'm call.
Brother,
you call me.
Say,
I know you call me.
Yes, you tell me say, me know say one of them the dirty girl they call in phone and so she a go and me say yo, you see me did know say over the mama me not call on the phone for make argument go on.
Puppy Dan, me have one neighbor over me yard named Samara, you know. Me not sure, you know. Me not saw him but he come like a him.
What tell the baby man?
Mama tell me how the slim as slim, tattoo and everything.
I don't know me, you know.
I know me. If I give you and give more information.
True. You know me not heard that a long time you
so
cheat
and
right now.
Do it. Me just go chew and fishing line over Samara. You see as him pick up, me just put it on him. Front way, back way and kill him and calm him down. So if I him a tell me woman maybe him other things, me just give him a pill and easy dog.
She say she not grandma's son, but she say she love you still, so she not.
She don't mean that man.
I know.
You see me? I mean that man.
She go.
What that man know to me? You need ask him when him go.
Me need ask her no.
Right now me gone over 32 girl dog and right now friend in there come like me freeze.
Oh yo. I forgot to cut off Shan still so that I simmer so you can't go come back over. Yeah man.
Me must have bet me you bet $1,000 for Shan. Me no want Shan dog.
Bro, but
me not too interested in a bleach out man and brown man. Me like them black thick. I just show we are forward, we are Roma, we are make feel.
If you just like your baby mother, my you turn over there the baby mother.
Puppy Dan, listen what me I say. You know how much time I pray to Father God to make me just settle with my baby mother. Puppy Dan, he come like a curse and put for me for oar in a dog.
Why? I try a whole heap of time to secure down on me, I tell you. I don't even know how to sell second much.
Alright, you know so what I go down to the church, down a fire station. And 5 women a pray for me. And me I explain the problem. How many women a pray for me and I say, rebuke, you one burner, rebuke. Hoy. Yes, so when I left out of the church, I 3 of them give me the number. You see, tomorrow, 2 of them me a kill a beat them, then get in the tongues.
Boy, you're dangerous,
boy, man. That me I try to tell them, man, why they me go link the pastor and tell them someone to sign some paper for me. Call me all about some paper, because I'm a JP. The pastor say no one see me in the yard.
So you're dangerous?
Then if he
oh my God!
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening,
you know, sir. No, up. Everything look like you don't for me. No disrespect, but I did someone in my taxes. You know, so I beg you one call off your phone, me G. Please.
Yeah, call them man.
Yeah, respect me that. Respect manners, but I boss.
Sorry. Are you in charge, Father? Are you in charge?
May I try to find somebody and may make a phone call, but the credit done. My respect.
Why?
Change my life to be a better person than I didn't think I
That's so quick she call.
Boy, Puppy Dan, I don't like it, brown man.
Why? You don't
tell me not lucky, brown man.
I'm glad the baby mother didn't come back out time like you know. Okay, no one in there ain't watch anyway.
Right now, I try to change my life. I want to go to church Sunday. I want to talk to the pastor and tell him I try to change my life. Pray for me. No man there right now. I want to see what's man in the Puppy Dan. The last time you that man the war asleep, him asleep, you know.
Eh?
No. Me and him in the house.
Your phone up and vibrate, leave that to say it a ring.
I know. Me and him in our house. Woman make it best love. Yo, me I tell say him drop it like it hot. And me do it for sleep. So me wake up. Mama, me a kid over me with a knife. And I say me if you confess.
Alright.
Me say me nearly confess. Me no confess say the knife down my throat.
You know him want things saka.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, who is this? Oh, me give somebody a call off of the phone look while, you know, so I know me if you call back. Yeah, so go on. Oh, you get you off of the call and me give off of the phone. No man, you're not that at the least man. Me just being a good person. Oh yeah, pass back down a way here shortly. Well if you want to tell me thanks, no problem, you see me? Alright. Big up yourself. Puppy Dan. You see when me a chat about, tell me the truth now. You see say me a no one liar. Me tell us all when me now look at girl, me girl them a look me. All when me now see them a see me.
What you know? You feel like they one day cool car. You just come and pick you.
Puppy Dan, me say a demon send them away. Sometimes demon angel. Sometimes Father God.
I love when demon send them
Puppy, it's my season.
Good.
My season. It's my season.
Sure, they want 100 though.
Oh, me feel know me just buck him.
Well, yeah, but test the water and still, because you see want
Okay,
me can't test the water. Me? You know, you say no me, are you?
Alright, here me I go do you. You see, if me forfeit the match now, it go look like me an idiot. So get a bucket. Look.
My dream.
Oh, are you just call?
The man of the match.
Yeah man, man of the match
man of
man.
the
Why
hour.
pray?
Me get you far.
Oh, you get you?
Respect
Yeah man, good man.
Really and truly, me never accept the credit for done like that, and I appreciate you giving me your phone to make a call.
Yeah man. So anyway,
No
Omar.
violation here.
Yeah man, a good man. You look good, save me man, big up.
Yeah man. Omar, what's your name?
Chelsea 87.
Chelsea 87.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah man, you know, so my granny always tell me say, you say ladies, female, woman, them are the future. So when you call for me and say you need a call, I will never have credit, me have to borrow some credit and give it to you. So I lucky things say me have some credit.
You're charming too.
Well, I'm trying not to be charming.
Oh.
I know, so to tell her the honest truth, I'm not sure, but I see somebody like you last night. Yeah.
Where?
Alright, me give you the easier part. I wear boxers, but I think you owe me a boxers underpants. Because last night I see somebody like you and dream about it and wake up the whole of my underpants. Nightmare, you know what that is? Yeah.
People still have night did have
Yeah man. You see somebody and you just think about them nightmare. You understand? So, well yeah, I know already.
Yes, I have it already, so I wonder if you can make a link.
Matter of fact, you know say, I kind of got one evening class because my auntie from foreign want send some business come give me for me sort out. But I never do good in a school. So I kind of do an evening class about business. But from look upon you, I see you're bright and intelligent. So, me I wonder if you could have helped me with little things.
Yeah, you can take a page out of my book.
You're smart. Yeah man. You gotta work tomorrow.
No, me not going to
Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow, man. The shift,
gonna
remember
work.
say the shift sent by my phone. So, tell you what, we can make some local study. You can help me with my homework tomorrow, the business, down at my friend place.
What tell us I know nothing about business?
No, but me I tell us I study for the business. My auntie has send me
Oh.
some money to start a business.
Whatever
You
business
understand?
it is, me come on. Your business more I come fix up. Your business more I hear about.
Well, me no really want to fix up my business because I want to focus on the homework. But if you help me get through with the homework and you want to fix up my business, then you know we can study about that. Because listen, I'm not a person who run a relationship and I don't want to book you for the first time and get contact for the first time. I like to take it one step.
But you dog, I never tell you nothing about no relation or no ship. The relation they right, that's about the ship they on the sea sailing.
Alright, now watch that. So tomorrow we can link if it's okay.
Me not have no problem. As me say, you may come
Yeah
back.
man, big up yourself.
Yeah man, respect. Have a good
Alright,
evening.
Yeah man, me your friend come about me here.
You know, so I'm not sure if me have no friend. Me look about it.
Alright. You see me I go to work, you can't talk about me I go to work.
Tap your nice man, you see some pop more papa have a girl next down your yard. You see my baby mother out there.
So I can't carry baby mother, go somewhere, rent a villa and send her PD man.
Yo, I'm not really in a brown in them step, but I see my push up to me so I shoot off here and dead. You see me? I say if you ain't fool enough, and you ain't fool enough, and you want to shoot off fire too, you can't get when you come back from work.
Why? Sometime. No man, you're good man. Friend of fear, I not mingle. Sometimes and everything you have to mingle in there, you know. I fear man, you're good man.
You know what is going to make you now? You know what girls are going to make you now? Me tell us all me have the girl them pop up. The girl them come like
yo, look come on man, I must say baby mother over
you
here.
know a bad man,
And a bad man, bro.
You know like me a lead you. You're more than me a cartel. Me a lead on your backs.
Yo. Look come on here, my friend.
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, shit.
Me nah see nothing.
Me finally find your bingo. Now you see one this. See one me see on TikTok. Of course I you me see.
Oh boy.
Hello.
I want.
Me there man, why free?
Yeah.
Me don't know if you notice say me I look for the phone and I look for you. You know long more I find you. You know challenge you on TikTok and say find me this person.
Find me this person. No, so me think me know that challenging. How I want?
You know long me I look for you.
Look for me.
Yeah,
What me do?
Me take you down off of TikTok and me did really like you, but me say no one friend request and you not answer me and me take say you not answer. So me say me not tap till me find you.
So you are doing my picture?
Yeah, cause me take you down off of your TikTok.
Oh. So me not go really see when certain people follow me no cause three amount of somebody follow me a day. Me not go. So you have to just tell me a page and
So you know say me your crush?
crush. Like Candy Crush.
No.
What kind of crush?
Like me want me if it in a something but take it slowly.
Well,
But-
yeah, talk.
But when me a walk a come me I wonder where they saw do you want.
Oh, you know, some my brother me there wait for him door. Dog soon forward. Dog some wait for him also.
Oh, so me can't get a number.
Of course, but it's a relationship thing if I that tell you look. Cause you tell me say me a crush you. Me not really depend on that you know, cause me a girl you know. You have a whole heap of girl. So if you want company side, or
The side, the top, the bottom, anyway you put me good. Me good with that.
oh,
Yeah.
take my number.
Put in, you know.
Yeah, see me. Girl is boss, I hate that.
Girl is boss.
Yeah, some of them call me because I'm full of girl.
Say a girl is.
So, me tell her that already, say me a girl is after me now, alright. So what you name?
Me revenge.
Revenge.
No, my mother did that thing when she give me that name. You know, think revenge kind of sound kinky. Like,
Revenge.
wicked one, wicked girl here. I don't like that name there.
So are your mother really get at the name the Revenge?
They on my birth paper.
Oh, you have got
Revenge, Laverne, Larynx. That they on my
you have
birth
got
paper.
change your birth paper because the name may not sound right. But anyways, first
Smell
man.
nice though.
Smell nice the one. You look good too. Look like you can do a nice side as them. I don't like the funny side forever.
Me no matter where you want put me in. Me no matter where you want put me. Anywhere you want put me. Right
So
now.
Revenge. You're not afraid me break your heart.
You don't tell me say you go put me on the side. So me no really have no heart for break. Cause me don't know me standing in your life, alright.
But you will agree, you know. You will agree, you know. And when it come to a test, you know, a different ball game I play, you know.
Well, when we reach a bridge, we cross it. For right now, me will stay on the side. When things happen, man, if me feel like it a move too serious or too fast, we take it from there. So you know worry about that.
No what you thought, man. But anyways, first me I say that so.
You know, say me kind of new in a community. Me new in a community, so me just there go and build. Me just there in a community I go and build.
First.
You know, say and my auntie a call me now, so me have to go left, cause me have to go take up something. Yeah.
Alright, Revenge.
Alright.
Yeah, Revenge.
Later.
Alright. No, just call me, you know. Revenge.
Yeah, me a call.
Ring. Yeah, man. Yo, right now, Revenge. Yo, me not like how that name the sound, you know. But get a new girl. New girl on the side. Name Revenge. Boy, I look like me. I keep up with my brother, you know. This look like I want competition, you know. Me dey even have to look, girl come look. Me girl I'll take down my picture and show me say a long time she want to know me. How where she come from again? How was she name? Revenge. She said when I come. I go on big bro.
There, man.
So everything active?
Everything active. Come like a liquor where drink out at 876 last night, no blow out of your system yet.
It's a new girl me buck while ago. Even me bucky, she buck me.
Yeah.
She come right that's up. Yo, me I tell her say, hey girl little and neat bro.
Yeah.
Slim.
Yeah.
Full of tattoo.
Yeah.
Nose pierce. Hey, you can't talk to me I know, you know.
What you saying though? Come on. What you say again?
In clean, slim, nice, everything. Yo, me I tell her say mama have a piece of ass around her back, you know man. How?
Oh, no.
Oh, I mean I tell her say mama nice, you know man, and mama full of tattoo, you know, but yo, just Lego that.
Come like I fuss you about and sweet girl. Every day me buck them.
You have to cool you now, cause your baby mother reach done, you know.
Don't worry about that man. You come like you and Puppy and roll in the same boat. Yo, watch you now. You feel like, let me tell you something. I don't know so a while ago, me G. And I do so boom and build back and so on browning. Cause you know I don't like browning. I like them black. You see me? So boom you know after I do so boom and down so now and girl walk up. I tell Puppy Dan say I look a call. And when Puppy Dan take out the phone and give me girl I say no, this man I want a call from. And I do so. Take out me do so phone and give me and by the time I go out I think about the phone and say make a call. Me and Puppy Dan say yo, make a call quick. Come like a type of girl type in my number dog. By the time the girl go up and call me and tell me say yo, I rate me. You see me? And say you want in a link with me and them thing there. I dead him dead man.
That's soft.
A girl never
bro.
put a number in your phone yet.
That's soft bro. Girl have picture walk up and done with me in their phone bro.
You know on TikTok man that don't can't take down easy man.
That not say but me get your number.
Sure. Yo, me look brother, you are going on, me not grow on. You're tough. But me just want you to be careful because you see my girl them are wicked. You see me?
And you want to know what girl name too?
You see him slim as what name?
Revenge.
Revenge. So can I name that Revenge?
I want to know too.
You know, so look while you explain how the girl slim and nose bore and them thing there. I think how you work on slim as same way, you know. When me and Puppy Dan better told say me I go tear off in here, you know. I tear off in here in less than 24 hours and every time he call me tell him say, yo, me be a mother. There say he can't work out. So me not check saw him, but that one the name Shan.
No, sir.
And your one name Revenge are two
Revenge.
different girl lad.
24 hours you take. 5 minutes me I take. Watch. If you're not done.
Are you teary?
I'm not teary.
I want thing about that call me if you can use my ends, you know. Because I'm man there, you know. Because I want thing your girl say you can't book your own villa. See I don't have Puppy Dan, my student and my villa. Me have villa. Oh yo, me rate you still. No, my brother man, me rate your action man. You're tough. You see me right now, Puppy Dan say nothing. You understand? Because Puppy Dan don't know if you look girl and you know and admit the fact say yo me are the man. Just like how you tell me say you rate how me deal with the thing, Puppy Dan now admit the fact. You see me? But you are going on now. Now go over here, just link and see if you're good still. Because mama did and you know, yo, you say my fry so you're going to sit and give me my grandma's zone. You say nothing to me, you know that go.
Alright, me have make a step.
Yeah man, I watch her now, as me say, focus on the girl because some of them dangerous. Some of them breeze blow them come in, Melissa blow them come all about. You see me? And they might, some of them come from Spanish Town, Karen and all of them places.
If one come from back up the line, you know. Revenge, you know.
Boy, I name that person in the brain. Revenge. Jesus
yeah,
Christ.
Revenge. What kind of name that?
How are this?
You're going to get talk to yourself. Want you?
Come here, man. How this look like tongue so? How are this here?
Come like you want me to drop it on you again like last night.
How are this in another bag here? What that? You see them same disrespectful
no
thing.
No panty, your panty. What you do?
Me can't hold in this. This look like extra small. Don't face to yourself with me. Me can't hold in that. I like me use one of my leg them. So what you mean by?
So me don't know where this a do ya. How me feel know where that a do ya? I know my own. I don't know fear. So it a do ya.
I'm not going in an argument today. You know what? Because I just pack up my local things and go my yard. Because I see a base styling things there, you know. be a styling thing and I don't want to do you nothing in this.
You know, say, are you put it there for purpose because you want go away. You find somebody up, so you know.
Alright,
You find somebody up that's a sound no can. You don't know if you find and cause argument. A sound. Yo, you know, say, you see yo. Yo, watch your name.
Let's start.
Me just up on a good mood now.
You see, if I follow you in here to them, I just go go me yard, yeah? I just go go me yard, come notice
So
where you
go.
No worry yourself.
Babe, somebody go. Where you go?
Hey, let go for me.
Babe,
You let go for me, I just know say it done, yeah? Don't call my phone.
Somebody go. Where you go for?
Hey, go to your string bean where you can fit in at that. They come in and know what do that. That look like Dolly Panty. Go on, boy, your business man and go feed your girl them.
Yo, me I know. Hey, yo, Puppy Dan.
Yo.
Wagwan.
Boy, I'm there. I know.
Me said you plan walk.
You plan walk?
Yes, me put you in a bed and you sleep out. I saw you love sweep. Woman you love sweep. I will get problem. Me saying fine it. You run off gone.
Yo.
So you see you want me buck? Me I go mash him up. Me I go deal with him wicked cause baby mother gone up back you know. He soon come back you know. He soon come back. Me say the plan walk boy.
So you say new girl pan
new
black.
girl dead.
Alright then. Does that mean know what go on?
Alright boy, good plan here.
Alright, alright.
Me know you love sleep so. The chap set a me name, you say you go catch you no sleep there. Yeah, sleep for that night better than catch you. Eh? You have a problem for you come down. For you come down here, me no button. No girl and slap them. No. I run them red. Soldier.
I go on, my brother.
Yeah, man, you know, say Puppy Dan man go link out the road. You understand?
No, sir, you me just see that call link.
What go on?
No, say new girl that a revenge. So me they tell her say me meet what here.
Yeah, revenge. You go slim as it.
She call me and tell me say she a come link me.
What? You work fast, man.
So
but you not play.
But
you not sleep like Puppy Dan.
You're no. Your ends. Me have to go use.
Yeah, play now. Yeah, play now.
No, me understand say some moms you did it, but you don't know if
mom's gone, bro. You know say you have your money for into villa, man.
Me don't have no money, you know, bro. No have no money, dog. I let you go let me down, you know, cause you girl don't depend on you.
Family one dangerous thing, you know, dog. Jaja you. But you me I tell you say no. Just do what you have to do. Cause one bird call me if he can't link me. And when him link me, I came over ramping shop. You see me?
Alright.
Do what you have to do.
Man.
Yeah. Oi. Use helmet. Bag it up. Pin your heart for mine. One more thing, my look, brother. Change your sheet them when you're done do what you do and put them in a basket and put some fresh sheet. Cause I don't want to come mingle with you and feel moms, you know. Do what you have to do. Yeah.
Alright, big bro.
Hey sis, you ready? You sure say you ready? I tell the idea, you know, sis. You get back your revenge, you know. Till the idea, now I'm moment. Me ready like a Freddy. Me just want to make sure I say ready. Me just a check. Hey, a work time and a play time. Why you say me look about me look about it. Hit me look about it. Alright sis, love you. Soon forward. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
What?
I'm here telling me I'm at home, you know?
Mm-hmm. Now come get a check in. I'm already in your lane.
Where you get here?
Yes.
Yeah, man, so you're fine now that come help with the homework when you're in a talk about.
Mm-hmm. Me ready.
That is very nice. I'm ready to.
Alright. See you in a few minutes.
I'm going to the same place I'm going to go and raise here.
Alright, B.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yo, man, I tell you.
Yo!
I don't feel like I have to go resign. I bird that, you know.
Yeah, well, let's see him bird. But you see you're not left the game.
Yo, man, I tell you, look at style me use for mama, man.
Yo.
Put.
You feel like saying, you give your brother a key. You feel like your brother will crush him work in time.
You know, some remember say me give my brother a key if you got over me. Hey, a boy, you see me look brother. Me tell him say if you get in one.
But yo, you know some rated dog a turn top shooter.
Yeah, man.
Them man they always want to be like
me always I tell him say bag it up, dog. You see me? Bag it up.
You know wearing a helmet.
Well, me no know to in charge come like a raw dog give me a picture. Me always I tell him say bag it up.
Yo, and you know what happen? If you wear helmet, you know, the woman police them are going bad.
That man him know.
Me say the woman police them not the man want them know. The woman want them are going bad.
But you know say almost half an hour you know.
The G over there. You know they put in work, man. I'm here, man. I first see him get in and I first want to smoke the one day.
Hold on.
You want to soak it like a wood.
I call my brother. Hold on. Phone a ring. Yo, Tibby.
Oh,
Brother, what go on?
there man, I go on.
There, man. Yo, the bird that me I tell about call me and him a go pitch right on my foot, and after him pitch right on my foot, I come pitch him right in my bed. You not done do what you do yet?
Yo, give me 5 more minutes, a big bro.
So you walk on then now. The 5 minutes where you ask me to give you, by the time I walk and reach over there, then me and you I go see. You see me?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, Jesus.
You must have give him 5 more. Wait time. Yeah, I mean,
I tell you such a new thing you know I want to spend time on.
Watch out, mama, come. Hey!
Tough boy. Yo, that really tasty you. Friday day.
Oh, you're saying tall? Chop me and chop it down like in a chop down.
Can't pick.
Can't pick, chop. Hey, what's up, y'all? Yeah, man. Watch out now.
And I get none of your friend them for me car. You know me, I'm a friend for you, obviously. You know, in our family.
We not a friend.
Alright.
Yes, me ready.
Look come on, father.
Yeah.
Out there.
Yeah, look come on.
Boy, I go on, man. When I tell a lie, I give him props now.
Take your time, my baby.
So your place nice.
Yeah, man, but place can't nice like it, you see me? Oh, one more thing. I remember to tell you. My little brother over here. Kind of in girlfriend, I'm a bright little girl.
Yeah.
You see me? So, I might use the Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi kind of low up and feeling side. So, you know, I have to help my little brother. You see me?
No problem.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Brother! There, man. You know, don't use the Wi-Fi yet.
Oh.
How on?
She just a catch up for you, bro. She soon forward.
Oh, what do you mean, man? So, you want to do homework or something?
Yeah, man.
Oh, my apology. Oh, Chelsea, my little brother, Tibby. Chelsea, my baby.
Nice
Let me
to meet
say.
you.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
man.
Yeah, me.
Oh. So you never know, say, me did I go get me revenge. Eh? By there with the brother.
Are your girlfriend this?
Yeah.
Shan, are your girlfriend?
No, not Shan. Revenge.
Shan, she name, what kind of revenge she name?
Revenge.
Revenge. Right.
Right, revenge. Where am I talking about Shan? Where you get Shan from?
My sister.
Sis. Baby, my sister.
It was her sister.
How are they going?
How would it? So you came over your yard and feel like, say, you could have deal with me like how you deal with my little sister. And ship her out like she don't know nobody.
One night stand.
Eh? When somebody pick me too. Sis, we finally get revenge.
Baby, we call it.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching Wrld TV. You understand? We bring drama to you. We bring love movie to you. We bring comedy movie to you. We bring family movie to you. We bring all type of movie to you. So people just want to stay tuned to Wrld TV. You understand? Because a whole heap of banger we have in a pipeline of forward food. And as me saying at the intro, sorry for the delay with the late post. You understand? From when we want to upload the movie. But the reason why we never get to upload it, as me say, we have bad internet. I have on my phone, I get bad internet. You understand? So right now, I have to go sit down now and face one place for them called Winners in a Niggerl. The big food place there, who know a Niggerl know this. So that's why I have to try and get some internet because I have Starlink so I can upload the movie. So people, as I say, thanks for watching the movie to the end. Tell a friend about over Wrld TV. So big up on yourself. Go and support it. And so now, you know we out. New movie again soon, so just stay tuned. One coloring book, one puppet and one Alia, you understand? One Shan, one Chelsea, you understand? One Shanika, one TV. All like team members, man. Bad movie and revenge. So you know you go. On to the next movie.